Prepare to be sick of me.
Mute me, block me, whatever you need to do.
Me. March Madness.
We ballin' like the March Madness.
They came so fast. Like,
that's what she said.
Mid, blank, minimal.
They're mongrels. No spot. No spot at all.
Oh, shoot. And I don't care what nobody got to say about it. It's just so... burns my biscuits. They cost a grip. I ain't gonna hold you. And we got two. It looked like...
it looked like a chip of shit.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, yet another haul. And you're probably thinking, we just saw you. Why you back? Well, today kicks off March Madness.
We ballin' like the March Madness.
So Vlogmas was a little bit of a, I didn't do so well, right? And I wanted to make it up to you guys and kick out some more content. So we're gonna be doing more than my usual once a week videos. And we're gonna kick it up a notch. So yeah, prepare to be sick of me.
Mute me, block me, whatever you need to do, because it's a me season right now. It's my time.
So y'all know the drill. I bought some more stuff, so let's hop in. First up is something I have been looking for a while now, and so glad I found it. Yeah, and we got two. So these are containers that I found on an Etsy shop. I will link it down below and show the name on the screen. They are currently sold out, but I do anticipate that they're going to be making more because the way they were selling was crazy. So I'm not sure if they do custom orders or not. You can always ask. They're very good about replying in a timely manner. And when I tell you these came so fast, they came so fast. Like,
that's what she said.
the shipping was great. Let's just say that. So of course, this is my first love, Viola Calcutta Marble. And y'all know I usually can't pass up a good piece, especially in that finish. Now, I bought these because I wanted to do a project with them. I don't want to give too much because I haven't figured out just how I'm going to do it. I'll put up some hints on the screen of what I'm thinking. But I have been drooling over these lamps and they cost a grip. I ain't gonna hold you. They just, my gosh. So I was like, maybe I can recreate it some kind of way. But everything I've ordered to try to make my vision come to life, it hasn't been the right size. So of course this is on the petite side, and finding the right base has been a challenge, but we gonna get it. I'm very determined. So I'm still looking. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I'll have some kind of solution. And even if I don't find a base that fits, I can always put a puck light inside of here and give off light as well. So we love her. Like, they're so bold and amazing. Of course, I'll put close-ups on the side so you can see all the richness, all the goodness. If you've been here for a while, you know most of my bold marble pieces came from Etsy, and that's simply because it's way easier to shop on there. The businesses are usually pretty small, so they cater to the customers a little bit easier. And I've said this before, buying from big box companies is great, but you never know what you're gonna get. There's nothing worse than getting marble that you thought was gonna be veiny and bold and rich, only to get it and it's like mid, blank, minimal. And one thing that just burns my biscuits is marble that's blank when I didn't want it to be blank.
They're mongrels. No spot. No spot at all.
So I love the small businesses that I bought from on Etsy because I can ask for pictures of their inventory and they send exactly what they have, and I can pick which one I want. So like I said, I want to use this as some kind of lighting situation, but I also love that I can use it as a container because clearly it's a container, okay? I can also use it as a little pedestal, just flip it over and sit whatever I want to on top. There's just so many possibilities, so many options, and we love that. Another piece that is on repeat in my home, Bach Marah. Now I do have a piece that is similar in shape. You guys saw it in my kitchen slash dining refresh. It's more on the slender side. This is clearly a little bit chubbier, and I gotta say, when I buy things and I'm trying to visualize how I want to style them, I'll usually put them in the living room when I'm in there and just kind of look at them, see how I want to use them. And the more I stared at this piece, y'all, it looked like...
It looked like a chip of shit.
And now I can't unsee it, but it's fine because it's fine. It's not going back. This was $39.99. Y'all know I'm no stranger to the Bach Marah line. I pretty much buy it every time I see it because it's just so, every piece is so unique and looks so high-end and handmade, in my opinion. So versatile. Like, even with this bright red shirt I got on, it still looks cute. So whatever your aesthetic is, it'll pretty much fit there, if you ask me. So yeah, it's the next up, a lamp, of course, and I don't care what nobody got to say about it. But honestly, it's not for me. I got it for a project that I'm working on, and I just thought this was to die for, okay? First off, it reminded me of the tall RH tabletop lamps. I've always loved that lamp. I love how it looks everywhere. I've even seen lamps this size in bathrooms, on the sides of mirrors, and it just gives something extra to the space. I would say it's at least 36 inches tall, which is amazing. You don't usually find tabletop, is that the right term? Table lamps? I think that's it. Table lamps that size. They're usually a lot shorter. The project I'm working on, they have high ceilings, so a lamp that's pretty short can kind of get lost in a space like that. So I'm trying to decide between this lamp or just doing sconces on the wall. So we shall see. But $70 at Homegoods was an amazing deal, so I just snagged it up. Even if I don't use it there, I can use it in a different project. I can use it here. Y'all know how I do. The lampshade is metal, so the materials are uniform. And of course, if I want to, I can replace this shade with a different one. So we love that. Oh shoot. Another thing I've been loving lately, stripes. I don't know what it is. I've never been like a stripe girl, especially when it comes to decor. But ever since I got that blanket from Zara home, I don't know, it's just like, you know how sometimes someone you know, or maybe even you, will buy a new car and all of a sudden you see it everywhere? That's how I feel about stripes. Like, I've been seeing it so much lately, and I don't know if it's because I've been gravitating towards it lately or because it's just been more present lately, but I'm digging it. Like I said, I love the stripes, but the brown mocha tone that this is really got me. I thought this would be great for spring when I want to brighten up an area without doing too much. It was $30 at Homegoods, and like I said, I just love it so much. I've only been able to find one of these, so I'm on the hunt for a second one. I love the texture on it, and like I said, it's just subtle. I can do the stripes horizontally or vertically. Oh, it's so different. It's crazy. But yeah, love it, love it, love it. And last but not least is something that I can't pick up because it's massive. It's this planter that I found at Homegoods. It was $80 in the outdoor section, and when I saw it, I fell in love. Actually, I think I have a clip. Roll the footage.
Well, let's take a look at our monitors.
So pretty. Has like an odd shape and little pores on it.
So like I said, I love that planter. I love the shape. I love how organic it feels, and the price wasn't horrible. I love the size of it, the shade of it, the little specks or freckles as I like to call them. It looks so nice. And I actually plan on putting my fig tree that's in my living room into it. I just got to figure out how to get the base down in the hole, because those plastic holders that faux trees come in, they're great until you have to fit them in something. Y'all know when I did my DIY tree for my bedroom, it was hell trying to get the base out of, I want to say it's like resin. I don't even know the material that is like used to cement these plants into that pot, but it was awful. So hopefully I can just cut the plastic container that's around the fake soil of the tree and that'll work. But yeah, y'all will see that in the living room refresh, so it shall be entertaining. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like I said, today kicks off March Madness, which means a lot more content and you don't want to miss it. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.